The bald eagle is truly an icon. With laser-sharp eyes and deadly talons on powerful feet, this bird of prey is a phenomenal hunter. Eagle eyes. The cliché is so ubiquitous, it's easy to forget where it comes from. Cruising at 40 miles per hour, an eagle can spot prey from up to 2 miles. He pinpoints his target with predatory binocular vision, dives, accelerates to almost 100 miles per hour, seizes, and crushes its victim with razor-sharp talons 10 times stronger than a human's grip. Throughout the history of civilization, the eagle, in all of its forms, has symbolized power. In North America, the symbolism lives on in the bald eagle. After a brush with extinction in the 1980s, this majestic animal now lives in virtually every part of North America. They are large, voracious carnivores, proficient aquatic predators. They need meat, and lots of it.
Bald eagles are found near large bodies of water for the simple fact they're a large-bodied bird. They hunt a lot of larger things, waterfowl, ducks, geese, and all those tend to be a lot of open water.
From the beak to the tail, they are 40 inches long. Their wingspan is as much as 7 feet. Males can be up to 8 pounds, while females can be 25% bigger, up to 14 pounds. That size advantage is unusual in the animal world, but not for birds of prey. There are larger birds out there, but in the hearts and minds of many wildlife enthusiasts, the bald eagle soars above all others. Clearly, this handsome hunter is not bald at all. The name comes from the Old English word balde, meaning white.